Hi friends, today we are making Italian olive oil fried eggs with crispy sage, garlic, Parmesan, and golden fried bread. It is fast, fragrant, and perfect when you want something simple that still feels special. This recipe makes 2 servings and takes 12 minutes from start to finish. Ingredient walkthrough: 2 large eggs are the heart of this quick Italian skillet dish, so choose fresh eggs with bright yolks if you can. 3 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil make the eggs fry with crisp, lacy edges and give the bread a rich Italian flavor. 1 large garlic clove, thinly sliced, perfumes the oil quickly and turns into delicate golden chips. 6 fresh sage leaves add a classic Italian aroma and become crisp in the hot olive oil. 1/4 teaspoon fine sea salt seasons the eggs simply without overpowering the olive oil and sage. 1/8 teaspoon black pepper gives a gentle warmth and a little bite against the rich yolks. 2 tablespoons finely grated Parmigiano Reggiano melt onto the hot whites and add a salty, nutty finish. 1 tablespoon chopped fresh parsley brings a clean green note at the end. 2 slices rustic Italian bread catch the olive oil, support the eggs, and turn this into a fast meal. Begin the preparation by setting 2 slices of rustic Italian bread, 2 large eggs, 1/4 teaspoon fine sea salt, 1/8 teaspoon black pepper, 2 tablespoons finely grated Parmigiano Reggiano, 1 tablespoon chopped fresh parsley, 1 sliced garlic clove, and 6 sage leaves within easy reach. Pour 3 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil into the skillet and warm it over medium heat for 1 minute, just until the oil looks loose and glossy. Now that the oil is warm, lay in the 2 slices of rustic Italian bread and fry them for 1 minute and 30 seconds on the first side, until the bottoms are golden. Flip both bread slices and fry the second side for 1 minute, then move the golden bread to the white plate so it stays crisp. With the oil still hot, add 1 thinly sliced garlic clove and 6 fresh sage leaves to the skillet. Fry them for 30 seconds, stirring gently so the garlic turns pale gold and the sage darkens slightly. Once the garlic and sage are crisp and fragrant, lift them out of the oil and set them on the fried bread. Leave the infused olive oil in the skillet for the eggs. Lower the heat slightly to medium-low, then crack the 2 large eggs directly into the infused oil, spacing them apart so each egg can crisp around the edges. Season the eggs right away with 1/4 teaspoon fine sea salt and 1/8 teaspoon black pepper, aiming mostly for the whites so the yolks stay glossy. Fry the eggs for 2 minutes, spooning the hot olive oil over the whites several times while avoiding the yolks. This sets the whites and builds those crisp Italian-style edges. When the whites are nearly set, sprinkle 2 tablespoons finely grated Parmigiano Reggiano over the whites and around the edges. Cook for 1 more minute so the cheese melts and lightly crisps. Scatter 1 tablespoon chopped fresh parsley over the hot eggs, then turn off the heat. The whites should be fully set, with crisp edges and soft yolks. Slide 1 fried egg onto each slice of fried bread, keeping the yolks intact. Spoon any remaining fragrant olive oil from the pan over the eggs. Finish by placing the reserved crispy garlic and sage on top of the eggs. The cooking is done, so serve the eggs immediately while the bread is still crunchy and the yolks are warm. And there it is, Italian olive oil fried eggs with crispy sage, garlic, Parmesan, and golden bread. In just 12 minutes, you get crisp edges, rich yolks, and that savory Italian aroma we promised at the start. Serve it right away while the bread is crunchy and the eggs are hot. If you enjoyed this quick recipe, like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell for more simple dishes.